just an auto. Look, just change gear.
Oh no shit.
But then if you want, it's got a clutch pedal. Look, it's just changing. But then if you want, you can just change it to a race box.
It's actually not.
Can I go a little bit fast?
Yeah.
Oh, a little
I
bit
won't
fast.
go too fast.
No.
A little bit.
As fast as you want.
No. How about you shut the fuck up and let me make the decisions, mate?
Yeah.
Because you don't know what fast is.
No. Yes, and that's just like driving like an auto. I drive 2 feet.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, always have, mate.
Fuck. It's actually crazy. How easy is that?
Yeah. And it's 8-speed.
Wow.
Yeah. So there's the gears there, the 8M.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Nothing scarier than that, just hovering down the road.
Oh yeah, obviously I won't go fast. It's a low boost, but yeah.
It's like the scariest thing in the world for me, eh?
Yeah. So how goes the gearbox?
Oh, bro.
7, 8. But the good thing about it is, like it's auto, but so right now,
Oh, no
I can just dump the clutch,
shit.
you'll burn out, or yeah, it's fucking. So it's like whatever you want it to be.
Yes.
Like do that in your auto, you know?
Yeah, you're fucked.
What is that? Looks like a car, almost.
What was that?
Car coming?
Oh, yeah.
Is that?
Yeah, I think it is.
It is, eh?
Fuck.
That's where I was mucking around before.
Oh, no shit. Fucking too many cunts.
It's alright, that's slow. Go, you dickhead.
You roll cage.
Nah.
Yeah.
Of course the cops had to come.
I don't know, like I've seen him. 'Cause I'm
Yeah.
like,
Oh, man, eagle eye when you got a modified car, bro.
yeah. Yeah, you can literally now just like click this, and it's a full doughy stock automatic car. Like,
Wow.
Like as in,
Oh.
so it has like race settings. Obviously,
Yeah.
You can make it shift hard, shift late, shift whatever.